Welcome back. We're nearing the end, but no look is going to be complete with a little bit of something extra. I can't go my day without a little bit of highlight. So for the very natural, effervescent, everyday kind of look, we're going to go very easy with our highlight as well. You all know I love to glow, but I like it to look a little more natural. Does highlight ever really look natural? I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna stick to something not super blinding today. And for that, I have been adoring. So this is oh my goodness. Okay, let's try that again. So this is the MAC. This was from their Snowball holiday collection. So this is in the color Here Comes Joy. This is the Opalescent face powder. It's like a luminizing powder. You can see it used to have, come on. It used to have a snowflake on there. You can kind of barely see it. It's still kind of there. But it's just a really great natural powder. So I'm going to take this on, this is a Sephora brush. This is a Sephora, it's a Pro Contour 39. It's just a domed round brush. I love this for highlight. So we're just going to take this and work it in the powder and put this on the high points of the cheeks. Just right above the blush. Kind of, can you see it? I don't know if you can see it in this light. Probably not. But it's very subtle, very light. Just a nice little glow. You can really pack this stuff on because it's very subtle. And so so I've done both my cheeks. I'll just kind of hit the temples of my forehead. And then I'll take a little bit on my finger. Just taking a little bit on my finger and then just down the bridge of my nose. I don't like highlighting the tip of my nose. I just like doing the bridge of my nose. And now you can grab like a really small brush. So this is the Morphe E36. It's a really tiny little guy. And I'll just take this because even with like a simple eye look, I'll just take some of the powder and just hit the inner corner of the eye. Just to brighten it up slightly. It's also a great trick to tie your highlighter in with your eye makeup, so you can just use whatever highlighter you're using for the day as a good little inner corner highlight, so it all matches. It's very subtle. I also take a little bit right under the brow bone. There you have it. A little soft glam, easy glow.